Hello children, I have come back to you with another lesson. I hope you are following the videos and you have done the previous work which I had given you. Today I have come back to you with another lesson and we will be doing some work with art friends today. Please follow page 9. This is the butterfly. And how we will do this butterfly, just see the instruction. Draw a pencil sketch of a butterfly and make patterns using sketch pens as shown. Now for this children, I have added something. I will be using the pencil colors also. It will be better if you have a set of sketch pens with more shades than 12. Now I have a set of sketch pens which has 12 shades, but if you have more shades, a bigger box of sketch pen with more shades, it will be useful to you, especially for this work. And you will need black sketch pen also. Now pencil and eraser, because first we have to draw the outline of the butterfly. Okay children, and after doing the outline of the butterfly, we will do the base colors with the pencil colors. Okay, after coloring it very lightly, the coloring should be done very lightly to give it a tinge of blue. Okay, or any color you wish. I am using here blue, like I have done here. You can see I have done here blue. The two of the lower wings I have done with blue. Similarly this side also blue. I repeat, it should be very light because we have to make some patterns on top with the sketch pens. You can use your fingers to rub it or a piece of paper. And similarly here I will use, for the upper wings I will use orange color. Like I have done here. See, the background I have done with orange color. You can use any other shade. Okay, it is up to you children. You can play with colors. Again, after doing the color, please rub it with your finger or a piece of paper. Or you can use watercolor also to give it a light shade, children. After finishing off with the colors, pencil colors, then I'm using here brown color, or you can use the pencil color to do the pattern for the portion, this portion, the body. This is the body of the butterfly, or you can use the sketch pen. It will be better if you have the lighter shade of brown. Can you see? Similarly here with the pencil. The entire body you can do with the same color. You should do it with the same color. I am showing you both the options. Okay. Then we move on to the wings. You can see the patterns here on the wings. Do these patterns first with sketch pen. Okay. Now we have to fill up these portions. As given in the book, we will fill up this portion with any color you can use. I am using this color. Okay. I will do only one side of the body. Okay. You can use any other pattern. Now with the black sketch pen we will do the patterns here. Can you see, children? Can you see, children, how the pattern is coming? This way you have to fill up the entire wing with this pattern. Have you seen, children? Here you can use some other color. I am using orange. But in the lower portion of the wing we will put dots. You can use your own imagination and create your own patterns and fill up the wings. You know, children, art is everything about imagination and your own creation. Okay, children, so this way we have to do this part of the wing, both the sides of the wing. Okay, so today our lesson is up to this much. Please do this page 9 for homework. Thank you.